Caribbean people, I got a serious question. Yeah? Is where y'all come to this place for? These people really throw y'all in boards and tell y'all to come to America? For what really? Eh? Y'all left y'all nice coconut tree, sugar cane, palm tree, the nice sun, the beaches, for come and say, but how you coming to foreign for shovel snow? You see my neighbor? He's from Puerto Rico. I don't know what he doing, eh? Why did he come to this country? To do what? Now he got to there shoveling snow. I don't know. I find like y'all didn't get too much of sense with this thing. Yeah? Bring all the we here for what, really? Well, we could be home selling coconut water on the side of the road. Okay, but right about now, darling, I need a boops. Does anybody want to come and shovel snow for me? I'm glad. This is my pitch. So I come and show you all how I desperate. This is my steps, my daughter vehicle, and my vehicle. Okay? All right. Serious inquiries only. All right. Good later.